Hello everyone, this is Soumya from Bookfeast. Happy that our channel aims towards growth. As this is our first vlog, I would like to present in a greenish way. Gardening gives us mental peace and helps us to see life in an optimistic way. The perfect example would be a seed becoming a tree. Hey, wait. The credit goes not to me but to my aunt who maintains and values the garden, who values plants and trees around her in all ways and means. Here we go. We start with the 4 o'clock plant, tulasi plant, and varieties of greens. And this is the brinjal plant which bears flowers, which is so cute looking, and also it bears two of the brinjals, which is very small. And this is the banana tree, which is not still a tree, which is just a plant, which is soon to be a tree. And here is the other type of spinach, which is grown mixed with bitter gourd. It is also called pasli kira in Tamil. And here is the flower of the bitter gourd, and you can also see that the creeper is bearing a small bitter gourd which is yet to be grown up. And following it, you can see the chili plant which bears chili. The quantity is so small, but yet the happiness comes when you harvest it by your own self. And here is the spinach, which is also the another variety of greens. It bears flowers purple in color. And these are green chili plants, and followed by them you can see the ornamental cabbage plants, and the next to basket bears turnip. I hope you can see the onion over there which is growing. It is actually placed as a manure, but who can stop nature from its growth, right? And this is radish. The plant which we are seeing right over here is tomato plant, which is bearing tomato right now, and it is a wonderful scenery to enjoy the moment when you stand next to it. Nothing can withstand in the world than that. Please do bear with me as the video is a bit clumsy, and at present we are looking at the greens which is grown not for ornamental purpose but in order to take and consume the healthy food in our day-to-day life. Again a different kind of spinach over here, and the next followed by that are the 4 o'clock plants which flowers between 4 to 6. This gives a beautiful look to our garden. Next sapling we are gonna see is the marigold and daisy, and these are tomato plant, tulasi plant, and chrysanthemum plant, and this is the brinjal plant. And you can see few varieties of greens arranged over here which are in a clumsy order, since we have planned to make a garden in our home few months ago, so still it takes time to prepare and arrange everything in a sequence. And this is money plant. This came to our home 3 days ago, and yet we are planning to make a pot for it. And this is jasmine auriculatum, and when you plant it a small sapling, and when you see it is becoming a tree, it is soon to become a creeper that would make you to feel the heaven on the earth. And this is dahlia, which is very beautiful to look when the flower blooms from the plant. And the next one seems to be the favorite among all the thing in the garden, because my favorite color is yellow, and this is marigold. And whenever I see this plant, I often think that nature is the essence for human eyes to observe and to gaze at. And this is my another favorite, capsicum. I have learned the best thing that the main thing, it doesn't matter how long you struggle or how long you spend your time, how long you make something more valuable, but when you see the plant which you have planted bears a flower or something vegetable, it would make you fly on airs. And this is rose. These are rose plants, and a rose plant is bearing a wonderful red rose, and it looks so awesome in the evening. So these are types of spinaches, and I have already told you my aunt, she often keeps many flowering plants and spinaches as she is very much concerned about her family's good health and good food. And the next one is also from the greenish variety which is called sow lettuce, which is often used to plant in our home. When you have some plants in home, you need not hurry here and there to gain something or to get something. You can enjoy it indoors. And this is firecracker flower, and many people call it often chrysanthemum for its beauty. And this is again a greenish variety which is often found in our garden. All of us cannot create a garden of our own, but we can grow a plant and we can proudly say that we are eco-friendly. Why not? Let's try, not to gain something which is highly recommended, but to gain mental peace and self-happiness. And this is a rare variety of medicinal plant which has a power to dissolve the stone on human's kidney, which is in Tamil called Kalluriki. And these are the flowering plants. And next to that, you can see the spring onions. We have taken half of them for consuming, so it's little bit there. And next to that, these are the upcoming bloomers, which is gonna yield very colorful flowers and add more beauty to our garden. And this is a well-known plant for all of us, which is used as an ornamental purpose, which is called Herium odorum. And this is the butterpea flower, which has highly medicinal power, and it also adds more beauty to our garden. These are the crepe jasmine plants, and for your closer look, I have taken the butterpea flower, and this is a crepe jasmine flower, which often resembles purity to my own vision. The next one would be the most used plant in our garden, aloe vera, because it has the highly recommended medicinal value that one could ever imagine about. And the next is grown for beauty for ornamental purpose. The name of this is table rose. I hope it has no medicinal value. I'm sorry if I'm wrong. And it is a combination of bud rose and the table roses. And the next thing is a rare species of flower variety which can reduce your mental stress, which gives you mental peace. It is Nasturtium, and there are many colors, and we have chosen yellow. Not myself, my aunt has chosen yellow color. Here we go with the chili plant. It is a rare variety of chili. You can see all over the plant is covered with white flowers, beautiful petals, which adds more beauty to the eyes. And next to that, you can see the turmeric plant, and we all know the medicinal value of turmeric. Even the fragrance from that can reduce our stress, can make ourselves more young. And next is also a medicinal plant, which is Mexican mint. I just love eating it from my childhood. These are the saplings of beans, and they often grow in a plant basis, and this is also the same variety that I have shown you before. They grow in a plant basis and they bear lot of beans. And the next one would be the cluster beans. We have planted it few weeks ago, so we are yet to transport it to another pot while it grows. And this is brinjal, and followed by that you can see the basket holding the combination of sunflower and marigold flower, and this is balsam and marigold. I would like to quote a point over here. When I was taking the video, I felt that the plants, each and every plants in our garden often says to me that you just grow up. You do what you want to be. Never think about others' vision or mission. So the plant seems to be the best example, right? They never want others to do. Wherever they get a space, they grow. They keep growing. So make yourself clear that whatever you do, whether you do by your own self, whether you love to do it, whether your parents love you doing it, and the lovable surrounding around you make you, help you, and they're very much happy that you have did it. So make yourself clear, make your vision broad, and it doesn't matter whatever you do, but make yourself, your heart say that you're in a right path. And this is the 4 o'clock flower which blooms between 4 to 6, and while I was taking video it was mid afternoon, so I have later added it to you in order to show the beautiful thing, the beautiful flower from our garden. It is also called as the marvel of Peru. And to the last one, this is Herium odorum. So that's all for today's video, and thanks a lot for watching this. Please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel to get further more updates. Thank you.